he still desponded over what I told him.
Time to another nuke. Wait, where is the next nuke?
Cranberry bog. Oh.
Cranberry bog.
What you guys do?
They drink the...
imminent. Please exit the area at your earliest convenience.
Just take the money.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Ari's actually, I'm pretty sure Ari's near the area where, well, not right in the area, but like, he's in the area, like at the bottom.
Oh, where the nuke is gonna go off?
Yeah, but it's not gonna be in anywhere near you. It's gonna be further down.
Oh, I see it.
It's gonna be behind the city.
Alright, I'm gonna try to fast travel. I'll just say I had a nightmare.
I'm gonna travel into the area of the nuke.
Oh.
You got, I mean, you get neat stuff.
You know, actually, oh, maybe I should have stayed to watch the lights.
Find the missing password.
You can teleport to me.
All right.
So where would the password be?
Shit.
I'll just go looking.
Yeah, let's go look for it. It'll...
Mountain honey.
That was the most pissed off I've seen Ollie.
Yeah.
He just sounded really out of it.
He did not. Yeah, he didn't even he didn't even try to make conversation.
He wants to change. Like he wants to like resonate with us.
He already did before.
Yeah. I don't know why he's taking it so personal. I told him, I was like, dude, just don't say creepy shit like that again about my characters. That's all he has to do. And then he just, now he's coming off like I killed him or something in the inside. It's like I'm refraining from like being a hard ass toward them. Be like, you know what, Ollie, go fuck yourself.
Ollie, dude, it's like, come on, man.
Alright, fast traveling to you, Hunter, so I could witness the explosion of a lifetime. The big
Alright,
boom.
tell me how it goes, okay?
Yeah, I'll get you a souvenir. If I come back as the Hulk, I'll let you know.
I don't think you're gonna come back as the Hulk.
I'm gonna be a big green blobby mess.
I think you're just gonna be a big green mess.
He did say like part of it was his job and all that stuff, like just stress getting to his job. But like I think it was just
if I'm being honest,
oh, touchdown!
Oh, I missed it. Oh, it was loading. Shit. Ah, well.
It's fine. You could probably see the giant mushroom cloud.
I'm in the loading screen right now.
You know, I'll do this a little later. I'm gonna join you guys. I want to hang out.
We need to see the mushroom cloud. Where is it?
As a matter of fact, you'll never even see a server when you play.
Oh, I hear it. I hear something. Oh.
You'll look around and you'll see a giant mushroom cloud.
Oh. Oh, I see it now. It's taking shape. Yep. That looks, it looks like a painting. It doesn't even look like a mushroom cloud. It just looks like a PNG.
Ari.
Oh.
Ari, did the world end?
Oh shit. Killer iguana.
That's a yes. As soon as I heard, oh shit.
Killer iguana. Glowing gulper.
Oh, a gulper.
I probably shouldn't come here. I'm very under.
Hey, where are you guys? I'm here.
Alright, stop running so I can get closer.
Okay.
To it.
Oh, there's the bomb. Hey fellas, wait for me.
In other words, stop running so I can kill you.
Right, okay. No, I'm more like, please, I want to watch you guys burn to death.
Oh, thank you.
I wouldn't
Apparently
miss it for the world.
Apparently everyone's over here.
Is that it?
Did
Is that all
everybody
that
leave?
happened?
I mean, did everybody go there?
Yeah, it's over. Apparently everyone's over here. Yeah, no. Apparently everyone's over here. Yeah, no.
Ari!
I feel bad for this one guy by the train tracks. He tried to run away. There's a petrified corpse on the...
What happened here? This is a giant...
I'm a little wary of being here. Very understaffed. Under... Yeah, there's a level 25 chasing me now.
Mr. Handy, I swear.
Are you going directly into the blast zone? I don't think you'd want that.
Yeah, okay.
Alright,
I thought that's where you went, my bad.
I'm with you.
Nah.
I'm right by you guys.
Follow
Oh,
Zach.
there's an event.
I
Defeat
need
the
to
Scorchbeast Queen.
Alright.
Is he over here? Oh, there's a camp over here.
But if it's by where I'm at, then
Put on
yeah.
a shirt for when the burgers show up.
Lots of eggs in here. Brain fungus. Lovely. Mmm, brain fungus.
Another
Delicious.
combat
Oh
knife.
boy. Alright, here's the...
Military ammo pouch.
Molotov
Ooh,
cocktails.
army helmet.
Yay.
Or you want a chef hat?
Here
Here we go. Now I look like I'm ready for war.
There you go. Although you look very depressed while wearing it.
I think I have a reason. I think I have every right to be depressed.
Alright.
Don't cap on my guy just because he's depressed. He has every reason to be depressed.
Right.
Stuck with you.
There we go. Turpentine.
Turpentine, acetone, benzene.
And
Sure.
just looking for stuff to... Ooh, pre-war money and the Brotherhood Corpse.
Yeah, I don't like. I'll wear this helmet another time. I want my hat back.
There's...
Kill it! Kill the Scorchbeast.
What the hell are you doing?
know
Me
what?
and a bunch of people are doing the event.
Trying to join you. Like there you go.
We gotta run.
No, I'm going to fast travel. Fuck that. I'm not running out there. I feel like very, very underpowered for this event, but I'll try my best. Oh god.
What the hell?
What the fuck? Everything's so good. Oh. That's the beast.
The
queen?
big flying bat? Yeah.
Try to
That's the
snipe
thing.
it. I don't have anything remotely well equipped to fight these things.
Yeah, this is like one of the more higher up enemies you'll experience throughout the game.
Everyone's floating above me.
Yeah, I'm gonna go inside the camp now, join you guys.
I can't go in the camp because it's still loading for me. Oh, fuck.
I should not be here. I should not. Whoa, holy shit.
This is a terrible time for my fucking screen to be like, hey, son, I'm gonna turn off now.
Yeah.
fucking chaotic.
I'm gonna die.
It is very... Oh. I burned myself in the process, and I should not have done that.
Yeah.
Wait, did we all win?
No, we still got the battle to commence. We still have the
only got
battle.
I'm just looking at you like, you mean there's another one? There's another one?
No, it's just, no.
I see one in the distance.
Scorchbeast
It's
point.
flying.
Oh, that's the one.
Son of a bitch. I'm helping.
Uh-oh. Oh no, that's not good. God damn it.
What happened?
My Gatling gun broke after repair.
Oh.
I can only use a musket. Ah!
Oh, he's got somebody. And here's me with my fucking sniper rifle and a shotgun.
Fuck! This is like the best thing I can do is carry the musket with me.
I've only got... Luckily for me, I was smart enough to have a good bolt, actually.
Whoa.
Look up.
Is it above me?
Yes, above you.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
There's that reverb again.
Yeah, I don't think that was Ollie after all.
I think it's me, but I don't know how I can fix it.
Yeah, understand me. Just me
I
and
mean,
my
I can try
fucking...
doing this.
My level 1 bee shooter is gonna fight this guy. Will we get like a big XP boost if we kill it?
Get better.
I heard.
I'm...
My musket is really doing jack shit to it.
Right?
It's like the highest level I can
If
get.
anyone has any extra stim packs, I could use one.
I have some, but you're gonna have to... Here, meet me over here in the corner. Do you see me?
Yes, I see you. I'm right next to you.
Alright.
Just give me one.
Trying to find one, please.
Yes,
Okay, I got 7. Take 3.
Okay. Yeah.
Whoa.
That's... If the game will fucking let me.
Yeah, we're kind of in a shitty location. Me and Zach kind of stuck in the corner, taking the radiation.
It's almost dead.
Set it on fire.
Come on! Kill
Roast
it!
that son of a bitch!
Oh, we did it! I think it's dead.
Holy shit! Amazing. Oh my god. There's another beast, by the way.
Oh shit! Someone threw a grenade!
That was me trying to...
Item is a reward. More treasure.
Scorched Earth trophy. How many are there? Oh, got treasury notes. Okay.
Alright, do you think... I think we, done?
Yep. The event's completed.
Alright, shall we get out of here?
Yes, I do.
Now might be a good time to get the hell out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, everybody. Y'all did a great job.
Yay.
Let's go. Alright, where are we heading?
I'm good.
I need to go back to my camp because I need to repair it.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, good idea. Let's go back to the camp, guys.
Yeah, find it.
It's all the way back up
I see
here.
it. I see it.
Oh, Jesus, come on.
Overcumbered, you can't take. Damn it. Ah. does he have?
Another one. Oh, it's dead.
No, that's not an event though.
Yeah, the one that just happened.
I'm heading back.
I can't leave. That's the problem. I'm overcumbered.
There's a stash box here. Someone's gonna like a stash box over there.
Okay, going.
Oh, that brings up a lot of weight. Oh, Jesus.
Okay, I am dumping half this shit in there. Don't need the army helmet.
Breaking radio silence. What did I get? Oh, here we go. Oh, here's.
Ugh. Ugh.
Almost done. Shards.
Are you guys back to fighting that thing?
I'm just dumping stuff in the stash box before I go. There, now I can leave. Okay. Oh, what a lovely image. I have to see the giant dragon's dick. Or bat beast, whatever that is.
Why is that your biggest issue?
I'm trying to put my stuff away. Actually, no, it's not the dick. It's the wing. But that's not the point. Now I can leave. I can get out of here.
Do you have the stash box, Raz?
Yeah, I do. It's in our room. It's the footlocker. It doesn't look like the stash boxes you see, but like it's there. It's like it's in the front of my bed. It's the footlocker.
Okay, I see it.
Alright, clipping that, because that was funny and pretty cool.